Hello, YouTube fam. Get ready for an amazing video experience. We're thrilled to present to you our video dedicated to Energy of Asia, official album of Asian Games 2018. Enjoy. Energy of Asia, official album of Asian Games 2018 is an official music album for the 2018 Asian Games by Indonesian musical artists, released on 13 July 2018 by the Indonesia Asian Games Organizing Committee INASGOC, Recording Industry Association of Indonesia ASIRI, and record label Jagonya Musik and Sport. The album was produced by Abdee Negara of Slank, involves several cross-genre musical artists that some of them collaborate. The album consists of 13 songs, available for purchase at KFC fast food outlets in Indonesia and for streaming on YouTube and Spotify. Let's now shift gears and explore background through a critical lens, uncovering its strengths and weaknesses. INASGOC took some famous Indonesian musicians and singers to enliven the 2018 Asian Games, which were held in Jakarta and Palembang on 18 August to 2 September 2018. According to the INASGOC Organizing Committee Chairman Eric Thoer, in addition to encouraging the athletes, the involvement of artists and musicians was also used to promote Indonesian music to the world. For the Asian Games, they took themes such as solidarity, sportsmanship, victory, struggle, spirit, unity, friendship, and become champion. INASGOC then partnered with ASIRI since it is the trust for recording industry in Indonesia. ASIRI searched for musicians, artists, and songwriters for the album. The tracks then listened and reviewed by INASGOC. The selection of songs was also based on ASIRI's recommendations and research. The basis of assessment was taken from the market of each musician. After those various processes, they finally chose 13 songs representing various genres to be included in the Asian Games compilation album. As we enter this new chapter, let's navigate the complexities of composition and lyrics and unravel its multifaceted nature. INASGOC committee contacted Dimasive vocalist Rian to create 2 songs for the Asian Games album. One of them, titled Bright as the Sun, was sung by 18 Indonesian musicians, tells about the differences in Indonesia that can be an example for other countries and to appreciate the differences. He created it on 4 days before the 1-year countdown of the Games on 18 August 2017. The instrumental version of the song was used as background music for the Games International Games Broadcast Services IGBS title sequence. Another song, Menaklahkan Dunia, tells about the spirit and to not easily despair to reach the victory, sung by Indonesian rock singer once and a contestant of The Voice Kids Indonesia Season 1 Shakira Jasmine. Indonesian rapper Flow also provided 2 songs for the 2018 Asian Games, titled Unbeatable and Dance Tonight. Unbeatable was sung by him alongside Dira Sugandi, featuring a musical arrangement of hip-hop and pop genres, tells to rekindle the fighting spirit to the end. His other song with Bangga Citra Lestari, Dance Tonight, is dedicated specifically for female athletes. The second song of the album, Jangga Persahabatan, was written by Go Sukarnapatra and sung by No vocalist Ariel and Hivi. Former vocalist D. Taken from Balinese dance Jangga, the song is expected to strengthen the friendship of Indonesia with other countries. The song used both Indonesian and English lyrics but retains ethnic elements that are capable of showing Indonesia's rich cultural identity. The ethnic element becomes a challenge for NIV, a band which is responsible for the song arrangement. Keyboardist Randy said that they needs help from several parties to create the music. One of them is Vicky Sinapa. They later worked together to present the rhythm of the spirit, contemporary music, and the thick ethnic nuance. Indonesian rock band Slank collaborated with DJ Diffelbaris bring the spirit of unity and peace through their dance pop song Non-Political Asian Dance. The song invites people to unite and support Asian Games, which will be held in next August, and put aside various differences. So we made the song Asian Dance, because by dancing, people can forget everything, said Slank drummer Bim Bim. A pop dangdut song of the album, Mere Bintang, was chosen as the theme song for the 2018 Asian Games. It was written by Pei and sung by popular dangdut singer Via Valen. Using full of Indonesian lyrics, it breathes the spirit of victory in a sportive way in which an athlete must make their best effort to achieve the best performance. Drive former vocalist Angie alongside Ade Govinda create the 11th track of that album titled Indonesia Berpesta. According to Angie, it tells that Indonesia as the host of the Asian Games must be great, unite the spirit and unite the determination. At the same day, on 12 July 2018, INASGOC released the next Asian Games song titled Bukan Anak Kemarin Sore. It was created and performed by Indonesian band from Palembang, Armada. It was made to prove to the world, everyone can be the best. It is a song to encourage as well, added Armada vocalist Rizal. With the foundation laid, let's embark on a journey into release history. Country date format Indonesia 13 July 2018 digital download 19 July 2018 CD. Leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of this video.